In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Calendly settings. By the end, you'll have a polished booking experience that reflects your brand, shares the right information, and keeps your account secure. Start by opening Calendly and signing in. From your dashboard, head to All Settings. This is the control center for everything we're about to adjust, so keep it open as we move through each section. Begin on the profile page. Here, update your display name and a short welcome message that appears on your booking page. Make it friendly and specific. Let visitors know what to expect when they book with you. Set your language, date and time format, country, and most importantly, your time zone. Double check that the time zone matches your calendar and your location to avoid scheduling mishaps. If you frequently travel, remember that Calendly can detect a visitor's time zone so they see your availability in their local time. Next, go to branding. Upload a high-quality logo to personalize your scheduling pages. A square, transparent PNG tends to look clean. After uploading, preview how it appears on both desktop and mobile so it stays crisp and professional. Move on to My Link to customize the URL for your booking page. Keep it short, readable, and brand aligned, something like your name or business name. Be aware that changing this link can break old links you've shared, so update it wherever it lives, like email signatures or websites. Open communication settings to fine-tune notifications. This is where you control confirmation emails, reminders, and follow-ups. Choose timing that reduces no-shows, such as a reminder a day before and an hour before. Keep the tone consistent with your brand voice and ensure details like meeting location or video link are clearly included. Head to Login Preferences to review connected accounts. Confirm you're using the correct login method and remove any old or duplicate connections to avoid confusion. This helps you keep access streamlined and secure. In security, enable two-factor authentication if it's not already on. This adds a strong extra layer of protection for your account. Review any additional security options available to you and keep your recovery methods current. Finally, visit cookie settings. Adjust these to match your privacy standards and regional requirements, especially if you embed Calendly on your website. Leave essential cookies enabled for the app to function properly. As you make changes, look for Save or Apply buttons and confirm updates. That's it. Your Calendly is now configured for clarity, consistency, and security.